Okurabara abakozi ba Gavumenti aha emishoro no kweyiba kukozirwe ab'ekigombe kya Setin Africa obu babire nibabugabuganaho abakozi ba Gavumenti okuruga omuri Isingiro Town Council n'aba Bushenyi ishaka municipality omuri Bushenyi omu mushomo gw'ebiro bibiri ogubire aha Tuza Hotel.
Kutwizire nitureba twashana ngu obuherezo bumwe abantu tubakubutunga abamwe nibatugira ngo nibagamba ningashi nibahaye turebe kwetombita ngo tubakoreba ngo tuzikozirwe abantu nibetombita ngo bukuru mutari mutara abantu nibetombita ngo kasasuro aho bakorera aho kufuna sente zabo nibaninga.
You are struggling with a small resource envelope against a growing list of needs. Not so. We need the road here, we need drugs in this, we need a road going to this school, we need a clean, environment.
Omuhwezi wa meya wa Isingiro Town Council Makirin Shonjo agambire aha ku Isingiro Town Council ekozire kurungi omushoro gw'omuntu wa burijo.
Okushorooza mu mushoro kandi no kugukozesa twakushoroza sente ezikuba nizirga ombama business then trading ezikuba zirimo mu Town Council kutukusoroza za kaha council kandi naho zarga omu centers bagira ko baziganyurwamo.
Mungo mu assessment twakozesa je ba town agents mungo tax collectors tuyine political interference na kachato
twehireyo kuhereza kugarura abantu babashashura umushoro bafunemo benefit n'ecyamazima taxes nani kwid proko konke 25 munonga kurango twa prioritizing needs za community kurango at least twagarura abantu bareba omugasho gukushashura umushoro.
Okuchondoza kushangire ngu bwanyuma y'abajungu na munonga America okusharaho obuyambi ahari Uganda enshonga yo kushorooza omushoro gwahaka nikikuru.
What brings tax compliance? That there is a semblance of people have paid taxes and the authorities have used the taxes to provide certain services that services motivate the taxpayers to do what? To pay.
Emishoro bwahati neshemerwa aha kuba tekuteganisa muntu okugishashura haba hariho ebyeri kukora.
So the moment you pay and you pay the installments, you are supposed to cover still for the cost of payment, which is I think 2,900 around there. Every time you pay, you're supposed to encounter that charge. So it means that when it comes to convenience, is the tax we are paying convenient to us?
Obwahati Gavumenti eresere nkora ya IRS aho abashubuzi bari kweshashura emishoro aha masimu gabo gasha kwa Abraham